I've got about a year overdue home improvement project to do on this door here. When I bought the house, it came with this high quality cat door. Obviously, it's not big enough because I have a much bigger pup. So I want to install this today. I thought I would show you the process. I'm not doing it as an expert, but just as a fellow homeowner who needs to get it done. Doesn't have a man here, but it needs to happen. So I'm going to show you the process. If it doesn't work out, I'll just buy a new door, I guess. First thing you gotta do, measure the height of your dog's shoulder height. So that's what I'm gonna do now. Okay, come here, girl, come here. Here we go, pie. She's about 18 inches. So I'm gonna mark 18 inches up on the door, and we'll go from there. So you wanna get a screwdriver and a hammer and just tap the pins out. So I'm just gonna clean it up first because it's disgusting. And this is a really great spray. I'll show you what it is. Hydrogen peroxide, rubbing alcohol. You know how you get that nasty buildup on your doggy doors? I was shocked, I just sprayed this on. Takes it right off. So generally you're supposed to cut starting no lower than 3 inches above. But obviously the champ who lived here before me just threw rules to the wind. So this is what I'm working with. I'm unfortunately gonna have to use this line. Normally you wanna cut up higher because you don't wanna cut into the wood foundation of the door. So I'm just gonna measure from here, and I'm just gonna make a template.
Mooney.
Hi, Moon Pie.
Mooney, come here.
Come on, girl. Good girl. doggy door. For the new one. Yay!